Hello friends, today our topic is functional and non-functional testing. Let me first explain about the functional testing. This testing basically tests the behavior of the software by using the specification as a guide. The function are what the system should do. We have to validate in this testing type. It includes smoke testing, sanity testing, regression testing, system testing, acceptance testing, usability testing, and many more. Now coming to the non-functional testing, this testing basically tests the non-functional aspect of the software under different conditions. Non-functional testing is the testing of how well the system behaves. It includes performance testing, security testing, database testing, API testing, etc. Now coming to the advantage and disadvantage of functional and non-functional testing, the advantage of functional testing is it produces a defect-free product. It ensures that the customer is satisfied. It ensures that all the requirements are met. These are few advantages of functional testing. Now coming to disadvantage part, functional testing can miss a critical and logical error in the system. This testing is not a guarantee of the software to go live. Now coming to the advantage of non-functional testing, it improves the performance of the system. Test case are never changed, so do not need to write more than one, or we don't need to write it multiple times. Disadvantage of non-functional testing are every time the software is updated, non-functional tests are performed again. So these are a few advantage and disadvantage of functional and non-functional testing.